Today on Taylor Kitchen, we are going to make a most delicious, let's see what we'll call it. We'll call it a chicken avocado ranch Cobb salad. And really you could put whatever you want in the salad, but I think we're gonna love this. I've kind of put all these components together and you'll see how I did everything. But obviously salad starts with lettuce. So I just took a couple heads of baby romaine and I'm gonna give them a rough chop, and I'm going to assemble everything in this bowl, try to make it look as pretty as I can. So we just got home from church, and typically on Sundays I'll make what I call dinner, right?
Right.
Which is a combination of dinner and lunch together. We kind of eat lunch a little bit late, and then except for snacks, we're pretty much done for the rest of the day. So this is going to be something that's going to fill us up without weighing us down. So in goes all that romaine, obviously whatever lettuce, iceberg, regular romaine, like I said, this is baby romaine. And then it's an assembly job from there. So I have corn. Are you okay with some corn on your salad?
I like corn.
And I want to make it look pretty. So I'm going to kind of, we're going to mix it all up at the end, but I'm going to kind of stack everything and just try to make it look as appealing as I can. And then we have some tomatoes. I'm excited for when we get these out of our garden.
I know.
They're coming.
They're coming.
But for now, we have these beautiful cherry tomatoes from the store. All right, and then you're gonna love this bit. Instead of bacon, I'm using speck, which is kind of like an Italian cured smoky ham. It's quite delicious, and I just roasted it in the oven for 10 minutes on 400, and it gives us a nice crumbly little bit to our salad. That goes in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Darlin, if you would bring that dressing over to me, because that's what we're going to do next. It's looking pretty already.
And this is the avocado ranch dressing.
This is the avocado ranch dressing, and this is how I made it. To a blender carafe, I just add some buttermilk and then some garlic, a half of an avocado, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then some good quality mayo. Just a quarter cup will do you. Then I add in my herbs, dill, parsley, or cilantro, give it a blitz, and it's so creamy and wonderful and beautifully colored. So I want to give you a quick tip for avocados. When you get an avocado, like this one is perfectly ripe, it's just soft but not mushy, all you need to do is stick it in a glass of cold water so it's pretty much covering the avocado, put it in your fridge, and it'll stay perfect for you for 2 weeks. So I pulled out an avocado that I'd had in there for well over a week and used it in this avocado ranch. It's super simple and a way so that you don't waste those precious avocados. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and turn on notifications to Taylor Kitchen. Check out our YouTube channel at TaylorKitchen 5226, and also our website tkfoodie.com. Sign up. We would love to see you there, and you never know what you might be missing at tkfoodie.com.
Come be a part of the Taylor Kitchen family.
Yeah. And now I'm moving along to my everything bagel croutons. You can find the recipe linked below. It's on Taylor Kitchen on tkfoodie.com. So those go on the side. Ooh, yummy. Now I'm going to add the chicken, and this is seared chicken that I used a ready-made taco seasoning blend that I keep on hand. This is a recipe from my friend Sarah that is indispensable. I make quadruple batches every time I make it, and you can find that recipe linked below as well. It's on tkfoodie.com. So I used that seasoning blend on my chicken here, and I just want to cut up some beautiful slices for our salad. Oh, this is perfect. This smelled so good when I was cooking it. It was just amazing. Are you getting hungry?
Yes.
Let's see. Can I make this look pretty if I kind of set it on the sides?
How could it not look pretty?
I know. It's just a glorious thing. I'll do one more chicken breast here. I stirred up 4 just because I had 4 thawed and ready to go, and we will use the rest that I've already prepared in the coming week because it's always great on salad.
Now, what kind of chicken is that?
It is one of my favorites. It's an antibiotic gluten-free chicken from Springer Mountain. That's really, whenever I find it on sale, it's usually like a buy one, get one free. I always load up on Springer Mountain because it's a good chicken. It's just really good quality. Yeah, we really do enjoy it. So there you go. We're all ready. And then it's just the ranch. This was so easy to put together. And I'm just going to drizzle it over this. And we can have extra if we want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the low-cal, good fat dressing, right?
As you know, avocados, or you might not know, avocados have monounsaturated fatty acids. So it made this dressing very, very thick, and it's got buttermilk. Buttermilk is actually filled with probiotics. So it's a good, if you have lactose intolerance, you might be able to handle buttermilk. Because of the probiotics that are in it, it might help with your digestion. So anyway, this is all ready to go. Would you like to do the honors of the tossing?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. My husband's so tall, I had to have him sit on a stool.
Now I need to put all this together.
Just mix it up.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
My mouth is literally watering.
This looks great.
Okay. Why don't you load yourself up a bowl here, hun?
I think I shall.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
That's not enough.
Oh no, I know.
Whoops. Oh, look at that. Oh, come here.
It's yours. It's all yours, yeah.
Beautiful.
I could probably take this with a fork and just be happy. Okay. I'm going to give you a fork.
Thank you. I am the CTO of TaylorKitchen.
You are the CTO of TaylorKitchen, the Chief Tasting Officer, so
It's my job.
it's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it. Is that good?
It's fantastic.
Fantastic. Wow. That is quite something. I have to dish myself up some too, because I've got to give this a taste. And I was really wanting to dive into that dressing. It smelled just very herby and delicious when I was making it.
It's so good.
That is good. And with that smoky speck in there, and this, the taco seasoning blend on these chicken breasts, wow. The sweet tomatoes and the corn, the crunch of the baby romaine, just so incredibly fabulous together. What a great combination. Thank you for joining me on TK Foodie
Absolutely.
today, on TaylorKitchen today.
We hope to see y'all there.